Hi children, hello. Who am I? You know? Vinita Miss. Okay. Let us study sometime children. A sounds, words with A sounds, ending with AT. You must open your textbook. Page number 15. You can see in the box many words. Words ending with AT. Read the words. HAT, hat. HAT, hat. What is hat? This is hat. Hat. HAT, hat. Her. HAT, hat. Bat. BAT, bat. B sounds B. BAT, bat. CAT, cat. C sounds K. CAT, cat. MAT, mat. MAT, mat. M sounds M. M. What is this? Cat. Cat. Hat. HAT, hat. CAT, cat. I told you to underline and tick the words under the pictures. Hope you are done. Now, read the second line, words ending with AN. AN, pan. P, PAN, pan. CAN, can. C, k. FAN, fan. F sounds F. FAN, fan. MAN, man. MAN, man. Who is this? Man. MAN, man. MAN, man. And what is this? Fan. What is this? Fan. FAN, fan. FAN, fan. You must read the spelling like this way. HAT, hat. BAT, bat. CAT, cat. MAT, mat. Then you can read easily the small letters with AN, an. PAN, pan. CAN, can. FAN, fan. MAN, man. Look at the last line. Words ending with AR. Words ending with AR. Car. K. C. CAR, car. FAR, far. JAR, jar. TAR, tar. Tar. Jar. Far. Car. What is this, children? It's a picture of a jar. Jar. JAR, jar. And what is this? Car. CAR, car. Hat, cat, man, fan, jar, car. Okay. You can, in this activity book, you can see some animals here. What is this? Cat. You must write the first letter of the picture. You should write here C. Cat, first letter C. And what is this? Dog. First letter D. D. Right. What is this? Cock. This is not a hen. This is a cock. Cock. Write here C. Cock, C. And what is this? Donkey. Donkey. And you must write here D. D. You can write the letter near the picture. C here, D, C, D. Okay. And you can color here in the term 1. Name and color the picture. What is this, children? This is a piece of a watermelon. Watermelon. What's the color of watermelon? Inside you can see red with black seeds. Black seeds. Red. And here What's the color of the watermelon? Outside you can see green. You can color here green and here red. Watermelon. And in the handwriting book, you have to write I. How to write I? How to write I? In the 4 line. How to write I? One standing line. 1, 2, 3. Third line is stop here. And put a small sleeping line here and a small sleeping line here. I. Capital I. Capital I. Capital I. Capital I you can write yourself. You don't need your mother's help. വേണ്ടല്ലോ ഇത് അമ്മയുടെ കൈ പിടിച്ച് എഴുതണ്ടല്ലോ സ്റ്റാൻഡിങ് ലൈനും സ്ലീപ്പിംഗ് ലൈനും മാത്രമല്ലേ ഉള്ളൂ I for ink pot. I for ink pot. You must write the capital letter. Okay. And we can read the alphabet, children. Read with me. These are capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Say this letter. Satvik, say this letter. S. And read this letter. K. Read this letter. Roha, read this letter. R. And read this letter. V. No, U. Sorry. U. And read this letter. V. And read this letter. W. And read this letter. Z. Which is the first letter, children? A. Which is the first letter? A. And which is the last letter? Z. We can read the small letters also, children. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, children, you must read the capital and small letters daily. Okay, children, bye.